1. Wake up before the world, rising early before the noise and digital distractions to focus on yourself. 2. Make your bed. This isn't for neatness, but to build momentum by winning the first battle of the day. 3. Cold showers, practicing discipline in 60 seconds, conquering discomfort to prepare for any challenge. 4. Daily walks without a phone, seeking clarity and ideas by removing digital distractions. 5. 1 hour of deep work, engaging in focused, productive work without opening extra tabs or checking your phone. 6. Lift heavy, sharpening both the physical and mental self through weightlifting. 7. Read 10 pages daily, rewiring the brain to crave growth rather than chaos. 8. Journaling, maintaining an honest daily record of thoughts, whether they are messy or deep. 9. Keep one daily promise, rebuilding self-trust by honoring even the smallest commitments to yourself. 10. No screen time for the first hour, protecting your mind before the world's information floods. At 11. Track your time, building awareness of where your time goes to prevent bleeding hours. 12. Say no. Often, not to be rude, but to stay focused and dangerous in your pursuits. 13. Nightly silence, spending time without music or content to process thoughts and heal. 14. Daily movement, using motion to destroy stagnation, even when feeling tired. 15. Eat clean, prioritizing nutrition for energy and focus rather than just aesthetics. 16. Maintain a clean space, preventing inner chaos by keeping your physical environment organized. 17. Write down 3 wins, acknowledging daily victories, even if the win is simply not quitting. 18. Speak to yourself with respect, being your own biggest supporter. 19. Self-reliance, reminding yourself that you are your own rescue plan. 20. Hydration, treating water consumption as a superpower for your body. These habits did not cause an overnight transformation. Instead, they work slowly and permanently through repetition and stacking tiny wins. Keep grinding. I know you can do this.